Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi, and today we have a little unboxing, which is exciting because I haven't done one of these on my channel in a while because, well, the boutiques were closed. But when my essay sent me a picture of this bag, which I knew that I wanted, I just couldn't say no, and I just hopped on over there to one of the boutiques that had curbside pickup in New York City, and she came home with me. And we're gonna get into that. I know you're probably more excited than I am to see it because honestly, like, let's be real, I've repackaged it, but I've already seen it and it's cute as shit. So before we get into that, well, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Lexi. I'm a luxury addict. I put out videos every week about, well, all things luxury, you know, bags mostly because, well, that's my jam. But today I'm really excited because I'm partnering with Ana Luisa, which in my mind is like a luxury jewelry company, but they're extremely affordable, so love that. Well, because I spend all of my money on bags. So they're based in New York City, which is just a huge pro for me because I live in New York City, so I love that. Love supporting New York City-based companies. And when they reached out to me, I was literally over the moon because I'm such a fan of the line and the brand, and I just believe in what they're doing and their mission. They are a sustainable company, so they use 100% recycled gold and silver for their jewelry, which is just such a plus, like beyond their designs, which I think are incredible and beautiful, delicate, dainty, ladylike. They just elevate your style and your outfit. They're just, the sustainable aspect is, in my opinion, just amazing. So I love supporting them. I'm so happy to be partnering with them. They were kind enough to gift me 3 pieces that I'm wearing today. So actually this necklace, which I'm obsessed with, and I thought it was just one necklace that was just a layered look, but it actually comes with 3 separate necklaces. I'm gonna come up there so you can see it. Yikes, these hand lines. But so you have these 3 necklaces that you can wear together, which is my vibe, or you can wear them separately because they're not attached. But it's just, I mean, anyone knows that I'm Greek because I talk about it nonstop, and I feel like this is just such a Greek goddess moment, like perfect for summer. Ooh, what a vibe. And then we also have this braided gold ring, which is just amazing. I'm obsessed with this. And then finally, these earrings, which are just so cool. Oh, I love them so much. Like, what a moment. I feel like just a goddess with all this gold jewelry. And their pieces are so affordable. They start at like $49 and go up from there, but I just love the quality. I love the brand. I'm super excited to be partnering with them. And I do have a discount code for you guys. So if you're interested in any of the pieces that I'm wearing, I mean, these are just, this is my personal style, but they have so many choices. I'm gonna leave their website below, and my discount code is AlexandraP10 for 10% off your order. So excited. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for the beautiful pieces and for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, while I'm rocking this jewelry, and honestly, like, how brave of me to wear this shirt today. These horrendous tan lines. Oh, I'm just keeping it real on my channel, and we're gonna keep it real with this Chanel unboxing. And I'm so excited about this. Honestly, probably one of the more impractical purchases I've made, but at the same time, YOLO. So we will just, and there, down goes the camellia. So here is this tiny little dust bag, which is hilarious because it's like teeny tiny. So you might be thinking, Lexi, that's not a bag. And you're probably right, because I think actually it's considered a clutch on chain. And it fits like literally nothing. It's fine. It's cute. But it's so cute. Okay. And yeah, I mean, you haven't seen it yet, let's unwrap it. So I am such a fan of this tiny little pearl crushed clutch on chain, I believe it's called, and I'm gonna put the tag in the video, but look at this detailing. Let's see. Wow. And what I love about this, and I was considering getting the Pearl Crush Mini, just because I love the square mini, but the chain is a little short to be crossbody on me. I mean, I've tried it anyway, and it's not my look. But this, what is so cool about it is you can push down the CC on this pearl and adjust the strap, much like the Pearl Crush Mini. And the reason I didn't go for the Pearl Crush Mini is, one, it was much more expensive than this, and two, I've heard from people that have purchased it that it doesn't seem that it's going to hold its shape well over time. It's more of a relaxed leather, and I don't think I would like that. I'm more of like if I'm going to get a square mini, it's going to be structured, it's going to have edge stitching, that's just my vibe, you know? So we went for this cutie little what a nugget, and to be honest, I don't think this looks that good on me crossbody, and I'm going to insert mod shots, but I am so in love with this as a belt bag, like, because of this adjustable pearl strap, which is just, come on, that is just the coolest thing. Whoever created this is brilliant. But it goes around my waist, and it is such a vibe. It's like vintage Chanel with the aged gold hardware, and it is such a statement. And I think you can really wear it with almost anything. I kind of envision it with biker shorts, an oversized like dad t-shirt with this around my waist to like cinch the waist of that oversized t-shirt look, and my Chanel dad sandals, and ooh, what a vibe. Be like walking down the street. I can't. But before I forget, let me show you the tag. So in case you're interested, that is the information that you would need. And I honestly think it's reasonably priced for what it is. It's lambskin leather, aged gold hardware. It opens up into just like a material lining, fabric lining. And it does not fit much. That is true. I'm gonna show you some examples of what might fit. But I will say that it's a very good going out bag. For one, my phone has a pop socket, right? Highly recommend pop socket. It doesn't, generally speaking, leave my right hand. So what do I need when I go out? A card, a lipstick, maybe a lipstick, depending on my mood, and my keys. And everything there that I just mentioned will fit in here. And I tested it out because I was skeptical. And what is shocking is that my 4 key holder from Louis Vuitton actually fits in here, which is just crazy. But if you wanted to take just like your keys, it's not gonna take them out of your key holder and put them in here. It's not gonna mess up the lining because it's not leather lined, so it's just fabric, which I showed you. So I think it's a really well thought out design. I love it. The pearl just gets me. This adjustable strap is just everything. And like, how cute. Just look at this detailing. I don't even know if you can see that, but the CC is everywhere, and the aged gold hardware, and this, like, it's just, what a vibe, truly. I'm obsessed with this. What a cutie. So yeah, one of the more impractical purchases, but at the same time, it suits me, right? I don't know. Do you think this is something you would have anticipated I would buy based on my historic purchases, which I feel like have been more on the like trendy, this is trendy, let's be honest, but like more of edgy, trendy, utilitarian vibes that I've been going for, but this I feel like is like edgy in a way that is classy and ladylike, so like dressed for the woman that you want to be, not the woman that you are. That kind of a moment. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Was this unexpected? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think I'm stupid for spending that much money on a bag that can like barely fit anything? Let me know. No hard feelings. But I'm going to link to my last video here where I talk about the Chanel Small Vanity, my thoughts on it, why I don't necessarily love it, and what fits. So if you're interested in that, head over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And welcome to my family. Love you guys. Have a great weekend.